This is GV Shivakumar, and first I like to share my thanks, and then actually thanks for subscribing my channel and giving likes and comments on my videos. It is really helpful me for giving, yeah, a clear picture of this of the content in SAP. So thanks again for giving a valuable support. So today, as a part of the video session, I like to discuss about the benefits of outsourcing your SAP basis support. See, normally in any IT companies nowadays, actually they are going creating a kind of I can say a shared services kind of a setup for any basis support to operate in the project, and they are not particular to any one project. Actually they are now actually working on the different horizontals of the IT companies. Say actually they will be I mean the basis consultants were grouped together, called actually shared services basis support, and they are supporting for all the different projects actually at a time, right? Actually say I can say all the persons based on the time zone availability, they can work on the projects, and not they are not dedicated, or not, they are not assigned to single project. Okay, might be in the implementation project actually they can able to assign as a I mean dedicated basis resource for the project, but nowadays actually they are operating on the shared service model in any IT company. So in any project, the IT infrastructure is very important or vital to the success of your business or your project success. So which means that you want it well managed and running as efficiently as possible. It is important that you outsource the basis support to an experienced and trusted managed service providers. Many companies who perform SAP basis in-house are burdened by ongoing and unprecedented changes in the business world. Training and keeping the IT staff can be difficult. I mean, especially for the basic support. So when those at your company possess such a sought after skill set, so vacations and sick days can affect how your SAP basis runs, and hiring a new staff can be time consuming to fulfill the gap taken by the I mean sick employees, or the went I mean, or the employees went on vacations to fulfill their operative hours. Recruiting a new person is very difficult. So SAP customers needs a trusted SAP basis partner to take care of their systems, allowing them to focus on the true meaning of their business, not in terms of complexity, a complex IT task, but in the in the sake of business benefit and project benefit, right? So now we have a question. Actually, is everybody know this? What is SAP Basis? So SAP Basis normally stands for Business Application Software Integrated Solution. It is a set of tools operating as a bridge between your operating systems, communication protocols, and we have many RFC setups and everything done by ABAPers. So they will operate in conjunction with basis support, and running on business applications and databases maintenance. SAP Basis serves as the overall management tool of your SAP environment. Installations, upgrades, maintenance tasks, monitoring tasks, and configuring the particular basis set, BC sets, or the main task of basis support and administration team. So, and in a day-to-day basis, they will faces this kind of issues, right? So, the purpose of SAP basis is to keep your system healthy and operating smoothly, and performance upgrade, and everything should be monitored by the basis, and fine-tune your systems, all this as a part of the basis support. It makes a difference in reducing the downtime of the system, which can heavily affect the operations of your business. SAP basis teams often work around the clock 24/7 into 365 days to improve the system performance and end user experience, right? So They are a very, I can say, very important people in the project management or project life cycle run. So, what are the support activities performed by the basis team, right? So, the first one is user management, user creation, user role assignment, user management, assignment to the particular area of module or a particular area of scope based on the user requirement, minimizing the risk through the development of testing, and managing the SAP correction and transport systems, that is transport system simply called, and then installing SAP database servers and application servers, patch running, upgrades, and implementing SAP instances, daily monitoring of operating systems, and ensuring backups have been made properly, and then checking system logs, and then reviewing workload statistics, and more preferably you will want an SAP basis team that will also be able to provide your company with the hosting systems, migration, and other services. And then business needs always change. And if you have not already into that, you may want to move the to the cloud in the future. And especially for the clouds of our cloud service, there is no need for basis team because all the system administrations, upgrades, patch running, all the system improvements, everything system management can be done by the service providers and not by the basis, and there is no basis team required for the cloud based operating model, right? Only on premise models will require a basis support. And actually nowadays actually a dedicated basis consultants to be hired for the particular project, it's a kind of a cost hurdle as well as a time hurdle. And then actually it is not encourageable nowadays. Actually they are looking common, I can say, shared service kind of setup, especially for the basic support. So benefits when saying, benefits of outsourcing the SAP basis support is mainly no need to hire, train, or retain the SAP staff. So cost cut is possible, and cost effective measures can be taken and help you to stay focused on your core competencies. And then cost reduction, as already told, with a predictable SAP support cost and improved operational efficiencies, improved reliability, availability, and performance of SAP infrastructure, and quality monitoring to boost the systems and availability and capacity. And one more thing, actually, you can you can give a, external basis support, a skilled resource pool, so that your issues can be addressed then and there, rather than train a employee by hiring and then giving a training and then spending cost on them. It's definitely a time costing, and then actually time also. I can say cost and time. Actually is a dependent factor, rather than actually you can deploy. I can say external shared service kind of thing that will have a group of expertised basis consultants, so they will fix the issues then and there, and they will try to reduce the downtimes of the system, and rapid immediate fixing is possible. So all these, actually these are cost and time effect is possible. So these are the main advantage of inducting external resource for the basis support rather than an internal or a deployment kind of support in current scenario, right? In future, actually definitely they will look for, not only future, in present also they have the I can say the external basis support for SAP projects that will help to boost the quality, availability of system system resources and resource availability and capacity maximization and return on investment. Everything is possible. I hope the details I have provided is very useful for everyone to understand the basis, what is basis, what is the functionality, and what is the support they are doing, benefits of outsourcing the SAP basis support. So all this can be discussed in this. Thanks for watching my videos. This is GB Shivakumar signing off.